In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to Shopify. Linking your bank account is essential for receiving payments from your Shopify store, ensuring a streamlined and efficient payout process without any hiccups. We'll start this journey right from your Shopify admin dashboard. So let's dive in and get started by accessing your store's homepage on Shopify. Once you're logged in and can see your Shopify store dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu. There you will find a variety of options to help you manage different aspects of your store. What you're going to do here is click on Settings. You'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom of the menu. Think of the Settings tab as your command center. It's where you customize how your store operates, from payments to shipping methods and more. With the Settings page open in front of you, the next step is to focus on the Payments section. This is your key hub for everything related to how you'll receive funds for the sales made through your Shopify store. Clicking on Payments will redirect you to a page where you'll manage how you receive and process payments. This section allows you to set your preferred payment gateway and link your bank account directly. Now, we need to proceed to the next crucial part, which is to click on Additional Payment Methods. This option is designed for any additional gateways or bank account strategies you might consider implementing. Not only does it assist in connecting your bank account, but it's also where you can explore other payment solutions that might be beneficial for your own business model. You'll have the opportunity here to carefully review various options and select the one that aligns best with your needs. As you navigate through these steps, remember that every click and setting is part of building a seamless payment system. Setting up the right method ensures you never miss out on collecting payments, vital for maintaining your cash flow and sustaining your business. To summarize, start by going to your store's homepage, click on Settings, then proceed to Payments, and finally head over to Additional Payment Methods. Each step brings you closer to ensuring your bank account is correctly linked, enabling Shopify to send your payouts directly. This setup will provide you peace of mind, knowing that your payments are handled securely and efficiently. By following these steps carefully, you'll soon have your bank account linked to Shopify, perfectly ready to accept payouts. If you have any issues or find yourself needing further assistance, don't hesitate to dive into Shopify's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on your Shopify store.